the drive, all the oilers for the side wheel. Got a boiler leak. Need to get the boiler out of the boat, but it's fitting. It's a dry shaft. I'm hoping I can lift the front of the boiler up and get that to go down through that hole. I picked up the front of the engine. It's a steam engine, not a motor. I was able to get that apart, get the nut to pass the drive shaft. See if we can get the boiler out now. Boiler's out. I had to cut that there. I don't think we'll need the strengthener. I'll just cut that piece out and leave it out. Here, the boiler. The bottom of this boiler is crimped the whole way around. Not so happy about that. I'm uncrimping it. Hope none of it breaks. Definitely has a leak. I sealed it up. Pressurize it again. It's hissing inside. There's the bottom of the boiler and the burner. I'm going to pull the burner out. Well, we got the boiler out. It's pretty cool looking. It has a leak. Right there in the silver side, you can see. It's off the silver side of that. Back up. Quite the project. We have a crack in the solder joint there. Alright, we got that all cleaned up. We sanded this to get it to fit better. It was all clean. Ready to solder back in place. That was our boiler leak. Hopefully it'll be all fixed. Oops, I moved it already. Just putting the boiler back together. Fix the solder joint. We reformed that steam superheater tube. The boiler's back in the box. I'm gonna put the burner in. The boiler's all fixed. I'm ready to steam it. Blockade Runner's ready to go. Boiler leak fixed. It's ready for the water.
That actual style of boat, was that like in the early 1900s?
Like 1880s?
Yeah.
1880s or so, something like that. It's called a Blockade Runner.
Got a little bit of a fire.
It was a military ship. It has the cannons on it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, how's that look?
Yeah, and it looks like it's running about as fast as it was when you launched it. I give it more throttle, send it back out.
This boat has a lot of detail.